I could not find my sustain pedal. So I got to thinking, you know, I could probably make one. So what I did, I took my electric guitar, you know, one of those that connects your guitar to your amp, and put it in where the sustain goes. Make sure that's the right one. Yeah. And on the other end, I used a little hot glue. Took just speaker wire and just basically put the wire there and there. And then on the other end of the wire, this took a little creativity here. These are paint sticks that you stir your paint with. And what I did is I took these things that were like, well, I really don't know what you call them. I took my wire, and the two ends of the wire, I connected them to those little metal things. And then I glued a spring in the stick. So basically this is makes a sustain pedal. Thought I'd share that with you. I mean, I'll probably do a little something to make it a little more sturdy, you know, so you know it's more, you know, a little bigger, but it works pretty good, you know, for